We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay not working on cellular data. First thing you need to do is check that cellular data is enabled for your device and that Wallet and Apple Pay have permission to use mobile data because restricted access can prevent transactions. Next, open the Wallet app and make sure all your cards are active, verified, and linked to your Apple ID. Then, confirm your device is updated to the latest iOS version and that Apple Pay services are not experiencing temporary outage. After that, restart your iPhone and toggle cellular data off and on to refresh connection. Also ensure Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode settings are enabled for Apple Pay authentication. And if Apple Pay still doesn't work on cellular, contact your carrier to check for data restrictions or network issues. Then reach out to Apple support for further assistance. So that's it.